Boom, hey, my friend, in the next video, you're going to see how a guy from India banked $250,000 over the course of 3 years through affiliate marketing. And this guy, he had no social media presence whatsoever. Now, you can see here, his name was Nikhil Berengal, and you can see here on the partners leaderboard, for all time, he was number 4 on all time for the products that he promoted. And you're just going to see here the interview that I pulled out of the challenge to show you, kind of give you an idea. And then at the end, because I might get in a bit of trouble sharing this with you, I'm going to show you what the strategies that he actually done to hit them numbers with no social media, no making videos, one traffic source, promoting one product. And let's jump into the interview. See you in a sec.
Okay, Nikhil Berengal, very excited about this interview. This is a member spotlight here. And this dude is crushing it. Nikhil, I was just actually looking at your numbers here, and I was, we see the dashboards, right? We see kind of what people are doing and that kind of stuff. And you popped on my radar because, your income went from like $600, $1,200, per month payouts and stuff like that to like $5,000, right? I think you've hit over 5,000 last month, and you're well on your way for the same ballpark this month as well. You're doing affiliate marketing. Run those numbers once again. I want to write these down so I can see them.
Clear 4% in-house payment processor. Through that, $40,000.
40.
40, yeah.
Okay.
So through ClickBank, $110,000 plus.
Okay.
ClickFunnels, $64,000.
ClickFunnels, $64,000.
Yeah. ClickMagic, 37,000.
ClickMagic, 37,000.
GetResponse, 12,000.
12,000.
Udemy, 4,000 plus.
4,000 plus. It's 160, 170, 200. You're pushing over 220,000 about.
Yeah.
Well, more than that. Over $250,000.
Yes, correct. Within 2.5 years.
Congratulations, man. It's just doing affiliate marketing.
Working from my home only.
You're working from your home on your computer. You don't have employees. You don't have the big overhead.
No.
You don't have anything like super fancy. See, I look at you, Nikhil, and I'm like, all right. So there is people that talk about wanting stuff, and then there's guys like you who are actually like doing stuff. You're not somebody who's super loud on social media. I don't see you everywhere posting things. You just like, quiet.
I just
doing your thing and just banking the money, and taking care of your family and doing the things that are important to you. If you can do it, anybody can do it, right? If I can do it, anybody.
Yes.
That would be so. You're on level 1 of the success challenge, so you already hit the 10,000 mark.
Yes.
The next one is 100,000, going through the success challenge, and then the third level is 1 million. Are you going all the way in? Or are you gonna, at some point, well, you're gonna be like, well, I'm good at like 300,000 or something. Are you going for 1 million?
No, all the way to $1 million. And if you start level 4 to $10 million, we should go there. We will go there.
Well, I'll tell you this, man. You're gonna have to get out and do some video marketing, man, when you go that big, and just continue doing what you're doing, man. You're obviously doing stuff that works, taking care of your family, and that's what I want to see more of. If people like you just doing their.
All right, my friend, that was the Nikhil interview. And the reason why it sort of chopped up a wee bit is because it was straight out of the challenge, and I would probably get in a bit of trouble for sharing the whole interview with you. But the strategy that he shared in that interview, I'm going to share with you in the next video. So you're going to want to watch out for that there. If you feel like this is something that you'd like to do and learn more about, was that how Nick banked $250,000 over the course of 3 years without any social media presence or making any videos or any of that there stuff. And if you want to learn more about this whole thing we call affiliate marketing and internet marketing, you can head to the link below as well, and you can find out more there. Have a great day, my friend. I'm looking forward to seeing you show up to the next video. And if you've got any questions as well, you can leave a comment below. Have a great day and take care.